What I'm going to focus on today is the RAD and tag tools and a little bit of CAD drawing. With the RAD tools, we've got 5 different sizes of RAD tools we use. Special 7, which is the smallest, which has a 2mm RAD. Special 8, which has a 4mm radius, and the Special 9, which has an 8mm radius. The larger RAD tools we have is Special 36, which has an 18mm radius, and the largest one we use is Special 37, which is a 23mm radius. With the tag tools, the smallest is the Special 11, which is 3mm by 12mm. The medium sized tool we have is the Special 4, which is 5 by 30mm. Largest tag tool we have is the 56 by 5, which is the Special 5 tool. Right, this is the drawing or the program we're about to create in CAD. It's quite straightforward with 2 8mm rads, one single 4.2 hole, which is 440 long and 50 high. So we're going to TruTops. The menu we need to be on is create. We go on to lines and then on to rectangle. So we just make the rectangle up. First we've got to put the datum in, which is 0,0. We'll enter that and then put the 440 by 50 in, and this creates the rectangle for you. And then we need to go into the other menu, so I'll come out of this and we need to go into macros, single hole. It's going to ask for the size of the hole, so you just OK that and put in 4.2 diameter, so OK that. You can either put this in manually or just the dimension is 8 by 8, so you just put 8, 8 into that and it's entered the hole in there. Now for the rads, we need to go on, let's close this menu up, here we go, corners and elements. So you click on corners and elements and now you want radius corner. So the size of this rad is, it's an R8, so it's like an 8mm rad. So type in 8, enter that, touch it on the corner and it'll put an 8mm rad in for you. So that is virtually finished, but I will show you the other size rads which we've got, because we've got Special 37, which is a 23mm rad. So I could put radius again, 23, touch it on that, and that'll turn that into a Special 37 tool with 23mm rad. For the Special 36, it's an 18mm rad. So again, radius corner 18, touch it on the corner, and that's put an 18mm rad, which is for the Special 36. If we undo that, I'll just show you the other 2 sizes of rad tools which we've got, which is a 2mm rad. So radius corner, type in 2, enter that, touch it on the corner, and that's put 2mm radius. The last radius we do is a 4mm rad, so again radius corner, 4, enter, touch it on the corner, and that'll do it. So I'll undo both of them as we don't need them on this job. So undo that one, and now we're going to save this job. So we go to File, Save As, and we put it into the menu we need to go. Sorry, the directory we need to go into, which is the MMs. And we'll call this, which is the drawing number, it's a prototype, sorry, MM-447-1. So we'll OK that and the properties dialog will come up. So it's part ID, which is mm-447-1. Drawing note, just put the name of the job, label holder, programmer. Don't need any of that, just need the material thickness, which is, right, that's not in there. We go for the material ID, and this is 1.6 mild steel. So the switch is there, OK that, and just OK it again, and that's been saved. Now to go into, or to get a program, we need to go back into Punch, open the file we've just created, and that's in the so it's mm-447-1, OK that. It's the wrong size sheets, it should be 1000. We just place that outside the sheet, go to single part mode, and then we start to put the other job or other tools on. So go to punch processing, so we'll go automatic processing, start selection. I'll just touch it on there, it just put the hole in automatically. For the radius tool, we need to select the 8mm rad, which is the special 9. So all tools, we go into special tools, and there's your special 9, so we'd OK that. So now we need to go into punch processing, create an element, add element, we place this outside the job, and then just touch the cutting edge, which is, we'll place it on the job. We do the same on that one. Now for the, because this job's going to be tagged in, so because it's a longer job, we'd probably do this with a special 5. So I'll call the special 5 up. Special 5. We can do this a few ways. You can go at element, you do that one, that one, that one, and that one. Or we could undo that. I'll take them off. You can go at contour, put your starting edge on and double click it, and it'll do it all round in one go, which is another way of doing it, which is a bit quicker. Right, for the micro joints, go process optimization, generate micro joint. The width, set it at 0.08. Just OK that. Just roughly put these in for now. One there, one there, one there, and one there. And that's a really straightforward way of putting some simple tags in. So I'll just change the compulsory sequence. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's it. You've got your tagged in job that's done with a special 5.